You know what your business is. Maybe it's producing or delivering products, offering services to clients, or maybe even helping them to run their own businesses better. And there are also the basic essentials like sales or finance that drive efficiency and new business. However, you also know what your business isn't. Unless you're a water company, you know it doesn't make much sense to go build your own water tower and pipes just to keep the faucets running. You just plug into the existing system and get what you need. So, if you can do this with water, why not with your business too? Well, actually you can. It's the cloud that everyone's talking about, and SAP's Business One is here to make it simple. By using the cloud, you get relief from doing everything in-house. In other words, you can stop maintaining the water tower. Even better, your talented team can be set loose to innovate and make your company better, rather than just fixing what breaks. The cloud also enables your people to have simple, secure remote access to the apps and data they need, from any device or any location you choose. Put simply, you get the top-notch software solution you need, as you need it, hosted by experts who focus on nothing but this, which means upgrades become a snap, and your data is protected by top-of-the-line, constantly evolving security measures. And all this happens at a fraction of the cost of that water tower or server farm. It's time to plug into a new way of looking at IT. Find out more at sap.com/businessone.